Welcome to Automate with Triggers, Hands-Off Agent Operation. Discover how to put your autonomous agents on autopilot. In today's fast-paced environment, manual operations slow you down. It's time to leverage triggers for hands-off agent operation. Let's start with email triggers. You can set specific email events to instantly wake up and activate your autonomous agents. Imagine an incoming support ticket landing in your inbox. This email instantly acts as a trigger, prompting your agent to spring into action. The agent immediately processes the message, identifies the request, and sends an instant automated reply to the support ticket, all without human intervention. Beyond email, we can also use SharePoint to trigger agent operations. This is perfect for team collaboration and document management. Agents can monitor specific SharePoint files or folders. Any change, a new file upload, or a document edit can be the trigger. When a document is updated, the agent can initiate a follow-up task, like data processing, sending alerts, or generating a report based on the new content. Now let's see the power of continuous, hands-off operation in action. Watch as one trigger sets off a chain reaction of automated tasks, moving processes forward seamlessly across your systems. This fast motion sequence illustrates the continuous, unsupervised work of your autonomous agents running tirelessly in the background. With simple triggers, you can put your agents on autopilot and unlock new levels of efficiency. Thank you for watching.